Getting in some breaking news on the conversion racket in Uttar Pradesh. Process has begun to transfer the investigation of the conversion case, which is spread across several states. We are told over 20 states, including Uttar Pradesh, to the NIA. A report has been sought from the Uttar Pradesh unit by the NIA headquarters. 2 units of NIA can investigate the conversion case, is what we are hearing. So the story is getting bigger. Investigation of the conversion case can be handed over to the Delhi and UP units of the NIA. The paperwork started from NIA to take over this case. Let me go across to Sumi joining us with more details. Sumi.
Absolutely, as you correctly pointed out, and now the report have been sought from the Uttar Pradesh unit of the NIA, and in fact they will soon submit the report, and 2 teams of the NIA team will certainly look into the conversion matter. Remember, 2 people were arrested last week. In fact, in the whole conversion matter, they have converted almost 1,000 people in the last 18 months, and this racket has been going on for quite some time, and in fact it has spread and span across 28 states, and which is why now NIA has taken over, and as our highly placed sources telling us, now the NIA, the transfer of the case, of the conversion case, will certainly go to NIA, and the interrogation and the investigation will certainly be taken over by the NIA in the near future.
Yeah. So now, what do we know so far about how many states this illegal conversion racket is being investigated in? Yesterday, the Uttar Pradesh government told us on record that it's not limited to Uttar Pradesh. There were several states, and there were simultaneous raids going on Friday regarding this case. Do we know where these raids took place, or how many states are facing this issue?
Yes, specifically it was going on in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and remember, 2 residents named Umar Gautam and Jahangir Alam, both the residents of Jamia Nagar of the national capital, have been arrested by the ATS team of Uttar Pradesh, and in fact they were allegedly also receiving funds from the international organizations, and they were basically targeting the vulnerable children to convert, and vulnerable groups of the society for the conversion to Islam, and they were involved in the conversion of over 1,000 people in the past 18 months. And ATS has lodged the FIR against the duo under section 420, that is cheating and dishonesty, 120B, which is criminal conspiracy, 153A, which is promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, 153, 295, 511 of IPC, along with other relevant sections of the state's new anti-corrupt conversion law. And now the NIA will certainly start in its investigation, because the 2 units, the reports have been sought from the state unit of Uttar Pradesh of NIA, and after receiving the reports, 2 teams of NIA would certainly go to the state of Uttar Pradesh, from where these reports are coming to light. And in fact, these people were also using the international funds. They were also using their religious centers to call and to hold a mass conversion program. In fact, they also were holding several programs for the newly inducted members, and this has been going on for quite some time. This has recently come to light, and which is why the central investigating agencies will now look into the matter and will certainly unearth more and more facts in the days to come.